The name of Tigon is a name which is a blend of two names. In this case, tiger and lion into a new world with a blended meaning. This name is inserted at the species or subspecies level of binomial nomenclature for the cross between a male tiger Panthera tigris and female lion Panthera leo. As Tigon is the hybrid offspring of a male tiger and a female lion, they exhibit visible characteristics from both parents. They can have both spots from the mother and stripes from the father. Any mane that a male Tigon may have will appear shorter and less noticeable than a lion's mane and is closer in type to the ruff of a male tiger. It is a common misconception that Tigons are smaller than lions or tigers. They do not exceed the size of their parent species. But actually, it is not true. On the other hand, ligers are bigger than tigons. Both males and females have stripes on their backs and spots on their bellies. Ligers weigh on average 1,000 pounds and the heaviest liger on record was 1,600 pounds. Liger are considered the biggest cat on earth because tigers weigh about 500 pounds and lion max out at about 600 pounds. Liger can make lion and tiger vocalizations. Ligers enjoy swimming, which is a tiger-like behavior. They are also social cats, which is a strictly lion-like trait.